Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: the network's mail sorter. What even is a network switch? Welcome back to Network Academy Fun. Today, we're diving into the unsung hero of your home and the internet at large. The network switch. Ever wonder how your computer talks to the printer without yelling at everyone on the network? This little box is the secret sauce. And trust me, it's way cooler than it sounds. Let's get into it. Picture this. You're at a party, and when you want to tell your friend a secret, you just shout it across the entire room, hoping they hear you, and everyone else hears it too. That's kinda like an old hub in a network. Super inefficient and super loud. Imagine the chaos if your Netflix, gaming, and printer all tried to shout at once. This is where our network switch rides in on its digital white horse. Think of a network switch as the ultimate mail sorter for your digital messages. Instead of shouting everything to everyone, the switch knows exactly who needs what message and sends it directly to them. No more shouting, just efficient, direct delivery. How does it know where to send stuff? Every device on a network has a unique media access control. MAC address, kinda like its permanent house number. The switch learns these MAC addresses and builds an address book, called a MAC address table or CAM table. When a data packet arrives, it checks its address book and forwards the packet only to the correct device. Remember our shouting party? With a hub, everyone shared one big conversation lane. A switch is like building dedicated lanes on a highway. Multiple devices can talk to different devices at the same time without crashing into each other. This means way faster speeds and smoother network performance for everyone. Your cat videos will thank you. Just like phones, switches come in different varieties. You've got unmanaged switches, plug and play. Super simple. Then there are managed switches. These are the pro-level ones you can configure for specific tasks, create separate networks, VLANs, and do all sorts of fancy stuff. We'll dive deeper into those later. But just know there's a switch for every need. In short, speed, security, and sanity. Switches make your network fast. By directing traffic efficiently, they make it more secure. By not broadcasting everything to everyone, and they make your life sane. By ensuring your internet just works. Understanding switches is a huge step in becoming a network or data center engineer. You're basically learning the ABCs of how the digital world communicates. Phew, you just got a crash course on network switches. You now know they're not just dumb boxes, but super smart traffic cops for your data. Give yourself a pat on the back. Next time, we might talk about their even smarter cousin, the router. If you loved this, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See ya! Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.